Keto Cocktails and Karma coming at you. Today we are making keto beer cheese brats. All right, started off, you're gonna grab your beer. This is a Miller Lite Tall Boy. You're gonna bring that to a boil. Add in your onions and your bratwursts. Now in your saucepan, take a couple of ladle spoonfuls of your beer. Put your cream cheese in there, divide that up so it'll start to melt nice and evenly. Once your bratwursts have gotten to this nice white color, pull those babies out. Then you're gonna grab a cup of your shredded cheddar cheese, put that in your beer cheese sauce. Go to the grill, get a nice char on those brats. Season up this beer cheese with some Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. Grab your hot dog buns. These are the Oroweat hot dog keto buns. Butter those up, put them in a nice hot pan, get a nice toast on those so they'll stick together once you put that cheese on it. Then grab your bratwurst and your onions, a little bit of brown mustard, and that delicious beer cheese sauce. There you have it, keto beer cheese brats, delicious.